when we talk about the commercial aspect, right? So from the industry side, that's one thing. But now, as a gamer who wants to go pro, look, there's one revenue stream that comes in from your YouTube career, because that's obviously something where you get the fame, the money, the clout, and that engagement, right? So advertisers would come on, because I'm guessing you'd also have an Instagram account, and that Instagram account would have blown up as well, and people would want to engage with you one on one out there, and brands would want to come on board. Do you think, Adi, that more brands need to be aware of what this is, or based on your experience over the past couple of years, brands are already fully abreast of this? They know exactly what the gaming scene in India is like, and they don't need to be convinced to put the big bucks behind gaming and influencers like you.
Yeah, see, so as you like told this key, you get revenue from your YT, right? Your YouTube or whatever it is. So that's true. You get income from YT. You get your income from your social medias, as in Twitter, your maybe Facebook, your Instagram as well. Okay, and you get your revenue from brands collaboration. You make videos, you promote brands, you go to some some maybe shop opening, like maybe like whatever it is, maybe some mobile shops, or maybe like some game shops, game stores, or whatever it is. So there's the big market, right? There's a big market. Once you get into this community, now once you get into the market, brands start approaching you. They'll tell you like their demands are this. You have to like do this. You have to make a video. You have to do this and that, XYZ. Okay, so you have a vast area to explore in this community. Okay, it's not about only the YT income you get. It's something way bigger than that. Okay,
Correct.
and if you get into this properly, you will explore a hell lot of things. Okay, you get fame, as you said. You get fame. You get fans as well. You get lots of love of the people, and of course, there's money income as well. Like obviously you're giving your 10 to 12 hours a day, and you're making content. You're streaming the game to the platform. You are editing videos. You're uploading everything. So yeah, obviously like you get paid for that as well.
I'll just build on this and just break this down in three buckets, basically. So see, you need to look at it from when you talk about brands. Okay, brands will look at it from a three-tier model. Yeah, one is the traditional sponsorship model. Okay, second is the content creators and the way they would want to interact with short format videos and content that these guys create. And third, more interesting aspect of this is how can I make this entire gaming community as influencers, okay, and what can I do with them eventually to market my product, right? So if you have to break this down into two parts, you have endemic brands and you have non-endemic brands. I think the story about the whole gaming industry is about how are we going to be attracting the non-endemic brands to leverage the huge canvas and the opportunity that rests here, and that will propel the growth and the scale going forward in my mind.
So Vineet, as much as all these reports have nicely spoken about the industry numbers, we have one of the country's top gamers, and I know that people don't always review those videos do go viral, Adi, when you do reveal your YouTube income. But I'm not going to ask you to reveal your YouTube income. But if I was to become a pro gamer, the whole bucket, right? All the bells and whistles, gaming, streaming, esports, the fantastic leagues coming up in the country. What range of money could I be expecting to make in a month? I know I'm being direct with you, but I'm just talking about generally as a gamer. Now, you understand the industry. So if someone's watching this and is a huge Adi fan, a huge Dynamo fan, what kind of money could he expect to make if he put his heart and soul into this career?
I mean, see, it's really depend upon what numbers you're getting out of your content. What views, like what kind of views, what kind of numbers you're getting out of content. If it's in millions, you're gonna make a good kind of money. Okay, if it's in
a few lakhs a month,
yeah, I mean you can say that, yeah. So if if it's in thousand, if it's in lakhs, then the money will be like in thousands. Okay, so it's fluctuate every month. It fluctuates on your views. It fluctuates on the market, on the ads revenue, on the content that you're producing. Okay, so it's not stable every month. It's not like, for example, you're making X kind of money on January, so you want to make same kind of money on Feb as well. It's gonna be like above that. It's gonna be like below that as well. So that really depends upon what kind of content you're making, what kind of views, and what kind of numbers you're getting of that content.